Mr. Was, thank you so much for speaking to NDTV. You've embarked on a trade mission to India. First, tell us about your objectives here.
Thank you for having me. The main focus of this mission is to drive investment, create economic opportunities, and build stronger business and tourism connections between Cape Town and India. India is a strategic partner due to its rapidly growing outbound tourism market, and with Indian tourists being among the top global spenders. Likewise, India's strong business process outsourcing and tech industries align well with Cape Town's strengths, making it an ideal destination for collaboration. And so by building these economic ties, we aim to create long-term economic benefits for both regions.
So, you're traveling to India to develop trade relations between Cape Town and India. Which are the areas that you're looking to partner with India?
Yes, so far our meetings have been incredibly productive. A key highlight was our meeting with the Indian Technology Minister of this state, where we had valuable discussions around collaboration in technology, business process outsourcing, and tourism. The minister was very supportive of the idea of deepening cooperation between India and Cape Town, and so we're excited about the prospects of attracting further investment and creating jobs in both sectors. We've also experienced a positive response to our tourism marketing campaign, which has significantly increased Cape Town's visibility here. And we're also looking forward to upcoming meetings with Air India, where we'll be advocating for direct flights between Cape Town and India. This will unlock major opportunities in both trade and tourism. And lastly, we're engaging with tourism operators in Mumbai to explore strategic partnerships that will help drive more visitors to Cape Town. The Trusted Tour Operator Scheme, which streamlines visa processing for approved operators, is a major part of this effort. And so we're excited to share more about how it will benefit the sector.
One of the key areas of collaboration is the commute technology. Could you elaborate a bit more on this? Is Bollywood one of the destinations?
Yes, it is. So the city of Cape Town has a strong focus on the creative industries, in particularly film. And so we are also exploring opportunities of partnerships with Indian film producing companies that could then possibly also select Cape Town as a destination for film production. And likewise, so this is also an area of cooperation that we are busy exploring.
Mr. Was, what has been your experience traveling across Bangalore and Mumbai, and what has been your learning, if I may ask?
Yes, our experience here in Bengaluru has been nothing short of exciting. The energy and the innovation in this city have truly been remarkable, and there's a wonderful enthusiasm for strengthening ties between Cape Town and India and the local business community, especially in the business process outsourcing and tech sectors, has shown great interest in the opportunities we're presenting. And so the discussions have been dynamic, and we're seeing real potential for growth. Bengaluru, with its thriving tech hub, has been a fantastic setting for these conversations. And so we're thrilled by the positive reception and the potential for future collaboration. And if we can land a direct flight, this will be a key driver of growth for both sectors. For trade, it will make it so much easier for Indian businesses to connect with Cape Town's dynamic market, opening up new opportunities for partnerships. And for tourism, direct flights will remove barriers and increase accessibility for Indian tourists, who are already among the highest spenders globally. And with India projected to become the fourth largest outbound tourism market by 2030, direct flights will not only enhance Cape Town's appeal as a destination, but also create new economic opportunities and jobs in tourism-related sectors. And so, therefore, the Trusted Tour Operator Scheme is designed to simplify visa processing for approved tour operators, making it easier for them to bring Indian tourists to South Africa, especially to Cape Town. And so by streamlining the visa application process, we make it more convenient for tour operators to organize group travel, boosting tourism from India. And so this is part of our broader effort to increase Cape Town's visibility as a top destination for Indian travelers. And so we've already seen significant increase in the traffic on the Cape Town travel website, especially This is Cape Town and Cape Town.travel. And so this is one of our initiatives to promote compelling content around Cape Town's cuisine, communities, cultures, adventure to Indian travelers. And it will also help for our tourism partners because we expect it to drive an increase in visitor numbers, creating more jobs and economic opportunities in the local tourism sector.
India is a growing economy and it's shaping up as an ecosystem that's conducive to innovation. How is this going to be a learning for Cape Town, and what are you expecting to take from your travels across the tech and business parks?
Absolutely. So we've been blown away by the innovation and technology that has been developed here in India. And so there's a lot of learnings, but also for us to showcase Cape Town's potential. So like most things in life, the economy works in a two-way street. And so what we are learning here, we can also present Cape Town's strengths. So it's been fantastic to see the type of innovation, the solution-driven and data-led solutions that have been presented here to us. And so we are also presenting Cape Town as a destination of choice when it comes to business process outsourcing, because we have a strong focus on workforce development, especially in the voice, and also in the data-driven and solution-orientated approaches. So business process outsourcing is certainly one of those key areas that we are exploring with companies here in India, and to see how it can benefit the local economy back home in Cape Town.
All right, thank you so much, Mr. Voss, for speaking to NDTV and sharing all that information with us.